The 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid is the perfect stopgap with a usable range of 42 miles and all-wheel drive for changing weather conditions. Toyota's fifth generation of its best-selling RAV4 gets more electric oomph, courtesy of a new plug-in hybrid variant, the 2021 RAV4 Prime. Beneath its hood, the Prime's powertrain is similar to that of the plugless RAV4 Hybrid model. On the fuel-burning side of its powertrain is a 177-horsepower 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle inline 4 that has been calibrated for prime duty. The Prime blasts to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds and crosses the quarter mile in 14.0 seconds at 100 miles per hour. While SE and XSE both come standard with a 3.3 kilowatt-hour onboard charger, moving up to the XSE unlocks the ability for quicker charging. The Prime can run for up to 42 miles of EPA-rated electric-only driving, which is more than enough to cover most commutes. It can also sustain EV mode, up to 84 miles per hour. So what are your thoughts on this new 2021 Toyota RAV4? Let us know in the comment section. For now we leave you with the video to explore more.